Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to tint my car's windows with a tint film. All you need for that is some film, utility knife or some sharp knife, a piece of microfiber cloth, soap and water, and a plastic squeezy. The recommended amount of soap is for 1 liter of water, put 4 squeeze of soap. It could be a dish soap or whatever. At the beginning, you must thoroughly clean the windows so there be no left of debris or anything between the film and the glass. Because if there's any dust or something, it will be inside the job. I'm using a blade of a utility knife here to scratch some stuff that was stuck to the windows. It's actually not necessary to do a thorough clean on the outside of the window, but the inside must be spotless. For not too much money, I hope that I ordered enough. I ordered this 3 meters of film from China for about $5. Of course, this side is the sticker. You need to verify where is the outside of the film and where is the sticker. Usually the outside will be on the outside part of the roll, but some manufacturers will put the outside in the inside. It's very confusing. And after you decide where is the sticky part, you need to um, put it on this way so that the sticky part will be from the inside of the windows. But you did from the outside, so it taking a little of tinkering, but eventually, and for the first time, I figured it out correctly and lay it on the window this way. So the sticky part need to be towards me when I am outside of the car. I'm cutting a piece that is like an inch from each side bigger than the actual window. Stainless steel knife. This is what all the videos really about. And then I need to I'm checking the side, I'm double checking again to see how it would look from the inside of the car, and then I decide on the correct direction, put some soapy water on the window and attach the film the opposite side that I want to cut, if that make any sense. I'm taking the squeegee and I anchor the film a little bit to the window so it will be easier to cut. The utility knife must be from stainless steel, and this way make sure that you don't scratch the windows. Also be careful on the rubber on the windows. Careful not to cut yourself. And not to cut the rubber of the car. I started with the window a little bit rolled down, and now I'm doing the bottom side. I'm taking the windows up all the way, and I'm cutting the rest of the film. I'm searching for the best place to peel the sticker from the glass. And then I'm removing all the leftovers from the sticker. gently. Then on the glass of the window, I cut all the remaining little pieces. Make it nice and round. So we said that. So now the second hard part of this is to separate the tint from the sticker, and the first hard part is to determine which side to put on the glass in order to cut. And now this also is time consuming, but I fast forward and you can see that eventually I was able to separate it. My only regret is that I decided to film outside, and every little wind causing the sticker to get nervous and moving all the way. Spraying soapy water on the inside of the car, doing a little bit more cleaning. It's very important that this side will be very clean, so nothing will be stuck between the film and the glass. After finding the place to split between the sticker and the back cover again, spray a lot of soapy water and separate the two layers. And try to move it unfolded to the inside of the car. The soapy water on the window will allow some movement of the film before it will stick permanently. I spray more because it was very hot day, and the water evaporates almost immediately. Find the edges and with the plastic squeeze all the leftover waters from inside the front layer. Then slowly remove the back cover from the front layer and always squeeze for leftover water until the whole thing is very flat. Open the window a little bit and remove the water from the upper side and from the bottom side. This is door 1. I then flip the car and make the other door, but because of the heat I did some mistakes, but I used the material from the rear windows. All in all, this is my first time for tinting car windows, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you liked.